Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then in this left section scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. As you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. We will have to simply tap on this option to change the wallpaper to be transferred to available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. And just a quick disclaimer about the wallpaper colors, because it is a cool option which will allow you to apply the colors which appear on the wallpaper to the system colors, which is quite cool. We've got also the dark theme and the themed icons right here, but let's focus on changing the wallpaper. So let's tap on change wallpaper, and here we've been transferred to available albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got my photos, which is of course your own gallery. You can set your own photo as a wallpaper, and here we've got more options, more albums from which we can choose the wallpaper. So we've got a lot of beautiful options from which we can choose. Let me pick something from those maybe. Let's tap on this one, and as you can see, after tapping you will see how it will look like after applying to the home screen and to the lock screen, so you can decide whether you like this style or not. And if you like it, simply tap on the stick icon right here, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it only on the home screen, on the lock screen, or on both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it. Your device will set the wallpaper, and we will be immediately transferred to the home page to check it. Alright, so that will be all. This is how to change the wallpaper in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.